Hello and welcome back to our channel Learn for Lifetime. In today's video we will looking on the letter P, and let's see what's the sound of letter P. So you have to puff it out. Say, pretend your finger as a candle. So hope you will understand the sound of letter P, and let's see few pictures that start with the letter P. Okay, so first picture is panda, pencil, puffcorn, parrot, pineapple. So these are the pictures that start with the letter P. So hope you will understand the sound of letter P. So keep watching